Finding new forms, colors, dynamic ranges, distortions, and possibly even a combination of all of these is what creative photography is all about. Impressive imagery can be inspired by creative photography. Without an eye for creativity and flair in your photography, even the most costly equipment won't help you get very far. Creativity is an important key in photography, just as it is in any other art. The purpose of this type of photography is to create a stir and excitement in the viewer. Creative photography can include interesting angles, lighting, unusual perspectives, and altered images. In this video, we will help you get started with creative photography. Welcome to WeGotMedia. We are a multimedia agency that offers professional services and training in all areas of digital media such as graphic design, video production, audio production, and digital marketing. This channel is dedicated in providing free informational tips and easy tutorials on how to make digital content using various software in the digital media space. Number 1. Playing with light. You can create stunning spiral light photography using long exposure techniques. For this purpose, open your camera shutter to the maximum to record the moving light sources as faint bands. In addition, you can turn your lights on and off to create a staggering pattern. Number 2. Mixed lighting. You can intentionally create mixed lighting conditions using a color gel on a flash. The gels commonly come in orange red or warm, blue or cool, and green or pink. Alternatively, while editing, you can push the white balance in a specific direction to achieve a dramatic colorization. Number 3. Use double exposure. Double exposure is a technique of combining two pictures into a single image. For this purpose, you need to make use of exposure mode. Many DSLRs available today have multiple ways. This process yields the best result and renders an image that stands out among all other techniques. Number 4. Using shadows. The shadow play technique is a splendid way to realize creative photography ideas. This technique yields the best results when the sun shines brightly to produce strong shadows. Additionally, shooting these sites from an unusual angle adds interest to the images, highlighting the contrast between brightness and darkness. Number 5. Use macro lens. You can creatively capture shots of small things that are often undiscovered. When photographed at an extreme close-up, these images break up an often unnoticed object into powerful details that bring the viewer a sense of fragility. Number 6. Smoke is an art. Smoke art shots are the best ways to create stunning still life photography. For this purpose, you can make use of shapes from Photoshop. This way, you can create smoke wisps to merge with other images to get a new picture. Number 7. Optical Illusions. Using imaginative composition, lighting effects or photo editing software, illusion photography allows your photographs to play tricks on the viewer's visual senses. Number 8. Play with patterns. You can also get creative arranging the elements of your subject in a particular order such that they exhibit a unique order and pattern. This way of photography conveys a sense of shape and form to your viewer. Number 9. Perspective is key. Creative shots come with a different perspective and allow you to discover the world from that view. For instance, the photo taken through a handrest gives us an exciting pattern and a different landscape view that not many of us will think of discovering. Number 10. Blur the motion. You can slow down your camera's shutter speed to 0.5 to 1 second while capturing quick movements. First, you have to loosen the tripod head and press the shutter button while moving the camera toward the direction of movement. Additionally, it would help if you use rear curtain sync to arrest the subject. This way, you will be able to record the motion blur. Number 11. Using shutter speed. A camera's shutter speed can control exposure, but it's also one of the most powerful creative tools in photography. It can convey motion, freeze action, isolate subjects, and smooth water, amongst other abilities. Shutterspeed photography helps you create some of the most unique photos. Number 12. Out-of-focus shots. Shooting an out-of-focus image is an excellent way to showcase your creativity in photography. This effect enhances your viewers' curiosity and shifts their interest in your subject. In addition, the viewer is left to build upon his thoughts concerning the image. Number 13. Using neon lights. Adding neon lights into your frame makes it look creative, enhancing the popularity of your image. However, you need to eliminate the shadows with the help of reflectors. Additionally, you will require specific photo editing tools to brighten certain parts of a photo. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more informational videos related to the media industry. See you in the next video.